Welcome St. Joseph International School students. Hello Primary 4. Our lesson today is greatest common factor. First, we must know what is the meaning of greatest common factor. This is the largest factor that two or more numbers have in common. To get the greatest common factor, if you want to make it easy, think backward. Greatest common factor means GCF. We can think backward to memorize only, okay? FCG. F means find the factors, and the second step, circle common factor, and G to group largest factor. But if it's easy, if it's hard to you, simply you can think GCF, G for greatest, and C for common, which is shared, and F with factor. How to find the GCF? For example, I have find the GCF of 24 and 36. We have 3 steps to do. Step 1, find the factors of each number. Step 2, circle the common factors of the numbers. And step 3, group or circle the largest factor they have in common. How to solve? We said that the first step is finding the factors of each number. Then we will find the factor of 24. Yes, 24 equal 1 times 24, and 2 times 12, and 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. And you must search for 24 at all timetables, okay? To take all factors and don't forget any factor. And then we will find the factors of 36. 36 equal 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. So they are the factors of number 36. And the second step is circle the common factors of the number. Which number here is common between the factors of 24 and the factor of 36? We can find here 1 and 1. 1 in the factors of 24 and in the factors of 36. And also we have 2 as a factor of 24 and factor of 36, and 3 common also, and 4, 6, and 12. What about the GCF? Greatest common factor means the greatest of the common here. We have common 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The greatest number here is 12. We can say the greatest number is 36 or 24 because we take the greatest from the common. So the GCF is 12. Find the GCF of 12 and 24. Let's make a deal that we have 3 steps here. Step 1, find the factors of each number. Let's find the factors of 12. 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. What about the factors of 24? 24 equal 1 times 24, or 2 times 12, and 3 times 8, and also 4 times 6. All these factors give me 24. Step 2, Circle the common factors of the numbers. We have here 1 is common, and 2 is common, and 3, and 4, and 6, and 12. Yes, 8 not common factor between the two numbers, and 24 not common between the two numbers. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Which is the greatest number here from the common? 12. So the greatest common factor is 12. Another exercise. Find the GCF of 16 and 20. Let's make the step 1, which finding the factors of 16 and 20. 16 equals 1 times 16, and 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. And we can't write 4 2 times, okay? We write 4 without repetition. And the factors of 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Let's circle the common factors, which are 1, 2, and 4. They are common between factors of 16 and factors of 20. And to find the greatest common factor, take the greatest number here from the common, which is 4. So GCF of 16 and 20 is 4. Now this is exercise for you. Find the greatest common factor of each set of numbers. Number 1, 9, 12, and 30. Can you find the greatest common factor between 3 numbers? Yes, there is no problem. First, we find the factors of 9, and then find the factors of 12 and the factors of 30, and then circle the common factors and find the greatest between them, which is 3. And try to solve number 2 and 3 with yourself. The next example. Find the GCF of 40 and 50. Step 1. Find the factors of each number. 40, we can get 40 from 1 times 40, 2 times 40, 20, 4 times 10, and 5 by 8. So they are the factors of number 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. And now find the factors of number 50. 50 equals 1 times 50. Is 50 at table 2? Yes, because this is even number. It's even number. Even number must be at 2 time table. If you make 50 divided 2, it will be equal 25. So 50 equal 2 times 25 and 5 times 10. Let's circle the common factor here. 1, 2, 5, and 10. Which one is the greatest factor? Yes, 10. So GCF of 40 and 50 is 10. Another one. Let's solve story problem at GCF. Read the problem well. A class is going on a field trip. There are 36 girls and 27 boys in the class. Students will be divided into groups of girls and groups of boys. What's the greatest number of groups that can be made so that each group has the same number of children? How many children will be in each group of boys? How many children will be in each group of girls? Let's see. Here we have 36 girls and 27 boys, and they are divided into groups. but he didn't say these girls and boys divided into how many groups, or how many girl, how many boy in each group. So we don't have any number to divide by it. At this kind of problem, we solve it using GCF, because we don't have any number to divide it by it. 36 girls divided by what? Or 27 boys divided by what? We don't have the number of groups or the number of boys and girls in each group. We need to find the number which is the divisor here. This kind of problems we'll solve with GCF. Find the GCF of 36 and 27. 36 equal 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. They are the factors of 36. Now find the factors of 27. 27 equal 1 times 3, 1 times 27, and 3 times 9. They are the factors of 27. The next step, circle the common factor. I have here 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 9 and 9. They are the common factor. What is the greatest common factor here? Yes, the greatest factor is 9. What about the greatest factor at this problem? 9 is the number of groups here. 9 is the number of groups. So we will divide 36 girls by 9 groups and divide 27 boys by 9 groups to get the number of boys and girls in each group. Now we have 9 groups, okay? We will take the number of girls, which is 36, divided it by 9, which is the greatest common factor. It equals 4. And divide 27 by 9. 27 by 9 equal 3. Okay? 3 boys. So we can make 9 groups, and each group contains, or each group has 4 girls and 3 boys. Okay? Let's think about this. If we have 9 groups and each group has 4 girls, okay, let's multiply them together. 9 groups times 4 girls, we have 36 girls, like the problem. And if you multiply here, we have 3 boys in each group. We have 9 groups, and each group has 3 boys. We will multiply 9 by 3. It equals 27 boys. So we have here 9 groups, and each group has 4 girls and 3 boys. Thank you for your listening, and goodbye.